Good morning, students of 7th standard. Open your biology books. Lesson number 3, photosynthesis and respiration in plants. So, all organisms need food. Why? To meet their requirement of energy. एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए ऑल ऑर्गेनिजम्स को फूड चाहिए एंड ऑल्सो टू गेट मटीरियल्स. एनर्जी भी चाहिए, मटीरियल भी चाहिए, ताकि दे नीड why they need all these things for growth and maintenance. Most organisms also need oxygen to break down food to produce energy. So what is photosynthesis? It is the process by which green plants make their own food, okay, with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water. So most other organisms also depend upon green plants. ग्रीन प्लांट्स तो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं, पर अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म, बाकी ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो हैं वो ग्रीन प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड करते हैं अपने फूड के लिए, वेदर डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली. सो मोस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म इंक्लूडिंग द green plants, they need oxygen which would get depleted if it were not continually renewed by photosynthesis. कहते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जब ग्रीन प्लांट्स अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं, दे नीड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ठीक है, टू कैरी आउट दिस प्रोसेस फोटोसिंथेसिस. दे टेक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम इन्वायरमेंट एंड रिलीज ऑक्सीजन. दैट ऑक्सीजन वी द ह्यूमन बींग्स नीड, animals need, okay. In this way they take carbon dioxide and release oxygen, this level maintained in the atmosphere. So then we will do now photosynthesis in detail. Photosynthesis, photo means light in Greek and synthesis come from a Greek word that means putting together, okay, light putting together. It is the process by which green plants make their food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, okay. Then the chlorophyll present in their leaves. Chlorophyll क्या होता है? जो green color का pigment आपने देखा होगा, leaves कौन से color के होते हैं? Green color के. That green color pigment is called chlorophyll. That is present in the leaves that help the plant trap the energy. वो green color pigment chlorophyll help करता है plants को कि energy trap करें from sunlight, and that they use the solar energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. So they involve a chemical reaction, photosynthesis. Plants need carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight, okay. They convert this carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight to glucose. The end products are glucose and oxygen. The glucose produced is transported, ये जो produce होता है, then transport to all parts of plant body. Some of it used in respiration and the rest is stored as starch. So okay, कुछ वो जो है ये ग्लूकोज अपने रेस्पिरेशन में यूज़ कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, बाकी वो एज ए स्टार्च लीफ में ही स्टोर कर लेते हैं. दैट स्टोर्ड स्टार्च इज कन्वर्टेड टू ग्लूकोज अगेन टू प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी और टू सेलुलोज, प्रोटीन्स और फैट्स, जहाँ जहाँ पे उनकी ज़रूरत होती है वहाँ तक वो ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं. देन आर साइट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. यू हैव लर्नड अर्लियर अबाउट प्लास्टिड. What are plastid? डबल मेम्ब्रेन लेयर होती है, डबल मेम्ब्रेन लेयर होती है ऐसे, that found in plant cells. Chloroplast are plastid that have chlorophyll. Chloroplasts जो होते हैं that are plastid, they have chlorophyll and vital for the manufacture of food. Each chloroplast consists of two parts. See, the grana, singular it is granum, and plural we can say grana, which are the piles of flattened sac-like bodies, and a stroma. This liquid matrix in this is yellow color, it is called stroma. Then the flattened sac-like bodies, these flattened sac-like bodies are called thylakoid. The thylakoid membrane contain protein complexes that have chlorophyll, and here that is the photosynthesis. और यहाँ पे अपन कह सकते हैं कि photosynthesis reaction occur होती है in the thylakoid. This is very important question, where the photosynthesis reaction occur in the thylakoid part, okay.